Tignari something because of the free 5-star shit. And he's actually a beast. Shit. Let me just pull up my ultimate weapon. These everyone promises. Oh shit. Honestly, Noelle has been like my top one healer right now. She's just like still perfect for me. So like I love doing things with her. Especially when characters need healing and she can just finally step in. It's my favorite thing to do. I just really like her. And I fought so many bosses right now. I don't know why, but these bosses keep getting more and more. I just keep getting more and more bosses. So yeah. Keep getting more and more. I don't know why I keep getting more and more and more and more bosses though. It's funny. Oh. Yippee, come here, come here, come here, come here, come here. Oh. That's more than just an. Let's start rapidly tapping shit. I don't know how to do this at all, so I honestly just rapidly start spamming dumbass. Oh, watch out, shit. No, please come in handy. Okay, just hit them. Hit. Watch out, watch out. Oh, no, you have the shield on still. Perfect. Whoa. Okay, let's do this. Okay, guys. Using Noelle too much is just really become a bad habit. It's really a bad habit for me. I shouldn't be using her as much because it just pulls me into thinking I always have her shield on. I used to like spam her shield as much as I could. No. Fuck. Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out. Boom, 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 boom. I should. No, no. Oh wait, there's letter E. Yeah, okay. Heal my dignity, please. I worship you. Trust me. I totally do. And the super Macy. Do I have none? Huh? Oh. Oh, where? 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 Where the fuck? No, literally, where? Where? Oh my god, where? Somewhere here? Where? We need to go forward? I don't know. I guess that guy doesn't get sick. I feel a villain. Dawn wine. Wine. Osmanthus wine. Oratrice Manalis Kriya. Something. I really don't know. So, Oratrice Manalis Danalis Mordinal. I'm generally confused. Huh? Huh? Where? Where's the big bed? Is it up? Oh no. I don't wanna climb. Okay, let's just try and speed run. Oh no. One of those ledges. No, get away from the ledge. No, up. Not down. Up. Stamina, yes. Are they even stronger? Oh no, okay. So they just keep being a amount. I'm just spamming this arrow button like it's a controller, honestly. Oh no! A Hydro Abyss Mage! No, a Pyro Abyss Mage! What the fuck ass shit? What did I think? I think I need like a Hydro or something, right? I really have no idea. No. Don't attack the Pyro yet. Just move away from the Pyro for now. Ow. I have to search for a bit. Hold on. Let me do instructions. Let me do instructions for a bit. Shh. Okay, anyway, alright, Yes, Electro. I have 2 Electro, so this is the best opponent for you. Sorry, guy. I'm sorry, guy. This won't be the. This wasn't the best day for you, my guy. Well, it definitely wasn't the best day. Sorry. Sorry, not sorry. Absolutely not sorry, actually. Die! Oh! The fuck? Oh, it's burst. So apparently there are 2 stages on the ley lines. I was clueless about what the fuck ley lines were. But I think ley lines are like shit. I still have no idea what they are. So I can do 2 more bosses. Perfect. Excuse me. Anyway. Was it just me or did I hear some in the background? Holy jeez. So, I'm kinda convinced that when you look... Oh, there's a frozen plant. Yes, run away. That when you like... all the way there. Wait, isn't Starfell Lake like where we're starting? Okay. Wait, are we going back? I forgot about this place. We are going back. Oh no, wait, we're just going to mountains. Shit. Thought we were going back to that tutorial area. I seriously forgot about this place. Where are you looking up to? Oh, I know that's my camera. Go. Whoa. Oh wait, no. Oh, we're nowhere. I had no idea. Oh no. Oh no. Am I the only one who actually finds this so chanting so cute? Babu, 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 babu. If I have to be like for real, that. I actually like going back now, or are we just hanging? Yes, here. No, shit. What a save, guys. What a mean save. Okay, let's go. Oh, wait, no. No, seriously. Oh, no. This looks like a dead end. Oh, my God. I've only been playing this game for 4 days and I'm already calling it nostalgia. I have no right to be calling this nostalgia, but whatever. No, up, please, up. Like Jenny, no, Jenny. Oh no. How are we gonna get out there? If I would be a voice actor, I don't know if I'd actually like do a good. What the fuck was that? I don't know if I'll actually do a good job. Oh, monster! Then, oh my God! Look, that's a statue of the Seven. Why you stand there? So, oh, boop! Watch that. I am more exploring the area than actually like going to the ley line. Yeah, no, there's no way I'm going to get that. Shit. Jumping is my bad habit. Oh, that one actually looks stable for a stop. It looks way more stable. Maybe. That's a safe spot. I doubt it, but like. My only chance really is just. Should I do this one? It looks like it has a few safety cracks. Yep. Wait, no, I don't think it has a safety crack. You got it. I'm cooked either way. How do I get up? Oh my God. Jeez, that took me longer than I needed. That thing shocked me. Wait. I just climbed all that for nothing. Absolutely nothing. No! Shut your ass. Not doing it. No, not. Which level are they? Oh no. I don't wanna fight that shit. No, leave me alone. That's where we summon the Volnen. Summon the Volnen. Oh wait, they're fucking immune. Oh, I didn't notice that. Finally. Are you immune now? Yes. No. No, you're not immune. Now we have to, like, get our border off, I guess. Oh, get that shit off. Perfect.
Come a little closer.
Watch out, watch out.
Can't see?
Hold it. Cairo. Now I have to just scroll through this because I don't know, but doesn't that mean that Dendro works? Let me see. Does it work? No, it doesn't.
Let's spark things up a little.
Oh shit, it's barely working at all. Let's just do these. Hello. Once and I swear to fucking God. Fuck off. These shitty fucking things are pissing me off. Wait, what? Hmm? What the fuck?
Someone needs assistance. I'll approve you.
That's it.